Hello, this is Cultivatics, Dr. Adrian. I am back. I hope that you're well. I know I've been away for the last few months or so, and it's been because I've had several contracts that I really wanted to do an awesome job at. And honestly, while I've had several contracts that worked out, I actually had one that did not. And so I wanted to talk about that a little bit today. I am so appreciative of opportunities which align with my craft: health informatics, digital health, biomedical informatics, bioinformatics, system strategy, medical strategies, policies, and country level work in countries around the world. And even though some of that may align initially, if there are situations in which there seems not to be the best way forward, sometimes that doesn't work out or there's a demise somewhere. And that's happened lately too. I did have a contract where I was extremely excited about it. It well aligned. I put in all my best effort. And then they ghosted. They stopped replying, or they told me how important it was and how much it was of a country priority. And then when I needed what I needed and asked the questions that I said would need to be answered, there was no response. And then there's an interest once you are no longer working with them. And so I do have my boundaries. I think that's really important for your mental health, for your professional acumen, that you understand that if a scope of work mentions one thing, if a terms of reference mentions another thing, that you, or the same thing, that you are aligned to it. And there's a difference between scope creep and going a little over timeline or a little over budget, or not budget, well, budget too, but a little over timeline and a little over schedule, but then also just not being responded to when you're giving your best efforts. So that's happened. But thankfully for the other contracts, they have been a joy to work with. I am getting the responses I need, the support that I need. And when I have the support and you have the support, we work best together. So I say this to say that I am back. I no longer have a wait list, especially since I've just let go of that contract that wasn't serving me best. And I know there are several of you that have contacted me on LinkedIn or emailed me and are interested in my services, whether it's for health information systems or scientific editing or medical editing, technical writing, all of that. You can definitely reach out to me and learn about me on www.cultivatics.com or www.perdraft.com if you're interested in more of the medical, technical, scientific writing, proposals, business development, that type of writing. I get messages about as well. I'm on social media at Cultivatics, 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 or at Perdraft, Perdraft. And I appreciate it. I really hope that you continue to evolve in your life. And thank you for tuning back in. See you next time. Bye.